Foxy, get your food. Here, I got more food for you. Okay, ready? Go get it. Get it, Foxy, get it. There's a little Penny. She just came in. She's got out of the water. Throwing herself off. There's this little girl. Get it, Foxy. Get it, Foxy. Get it. Go. Get it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Go. I'll get some more for you. Okay, throw them deep in the water. Huh. You got a snorkel for that one? Get it, Foxy. You can do it. Go for it. Go for it. Okay. Ready? You gonna go for it? Go for it. Okay, one more. One more. Got enough in there. Ready? Ready. Go for that one. Get it, Foxy. Get it, Foxy. I know you can do it. Come on. Good girl. Get it, Foxy. Get it, Foxy. Get it. Go for it. Yeah. There you go. You gonna get that one that you've been working on? Ooh, it's moving. It's moving. You think you'll get it? Huh? I'll stop recording after you get this done. Hey, get it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, get this one. Get this one. Come on, you can do it. Well, don't do that, Penny. Come on. Well, come on, right there. Right there. Come on, right there. There's Penny. Get in there, jump in. You know how to do that. She'll do it. Get it, Penny. Get it. Get it, Penny. You know how to do it. Come on. Get your food. Get your food. There's one. Penny does it pretty good. Penny, get right there. Get Penny. Good girl. Since they can't smell it, they have to paw it. Oh, there it is. She's a little defensive about her food, even if it is underwater. Get out! Oh! Here she goes. Here she goes. Get it, Penny. Go, girl. Penny, right here. Penny. See, they're getting walnuts pieces. Here she goes. Oh, oh, there she goes. Too much water? Lisa thought it would be interesting on a day that's supposed to have like 110 heat index or more. So. You find one, Penny? There it is. Okay, here, I got more for you. Showing up. Ooh, okay, get in there. Oh, there. You getting back in? She goes all the way under. Oh, Penny, my phone's not waterproof. Right there, right there. They're all on the ground. Oh. You're gonna have to go at the bottom for one. Oh, ready? Get it! Oh, oh, oh! Whoa! She can stay under longer than I thought she would be able to. Watch out. Get some more. Get some more. You going in for more? Oh, Foxy. Penny? There you go. Oh, here you go. Here you go, Penny. And her sister, Lola, who's kind of a timid person.